Hi everybody, welcome to part 2 of the reveal, wipe, and swipe technique. This one's really neat. It's called Love. And I'm going to do this with red paint over the black and white letters that I've written in graffiti writing. And we're basically going to do the same thing and get the same results. But if you guys like trying stuff at home, try this one. It's real fun to do. Here we go. Let's dip in. Let's cover this up. Yeah, let's get it going, babies. Yeah, love is in the air. Now this right here is not really covering it very well. It's thick paint, but it's just not covering it as much. But we're gonna go ahead and cover it as best we can. It's thick paint, but you know, it's a bright canvas, so probably popping through a little bit. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, because it still works really well. Just cover it the best you can. Use lots of thick, juicy paint. Dip in, get it going, here and there. Make it work. Come on, babies. Anyways, this is fun to do. It's a real simple painting to do. If you're into doing some kind of interior decorating type of work, try this, guys. It's really good. It's real fun. It's borderline crafty, kind of almost sacrilegious to me, but guys, this is where it starts. So this is the gateway into doing fine art. Practice, practice, practice. Okay, there we go. We got that. Now we're going to lightly spray it. Okay, let it sit for a second. And now we're going to reveal. Wipe and swipe and reveal. Let's get in this corner. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I like that. It's messy. There's no doubt. Have a rag nearby. Oh, goodness. It can get real messy in a big hurry, in a heartbeat. Boom. Boom. We want to reveal as much as we can, but we want to make it keep it cool. It's a little canvas, so you can only go so far with it. And there you have it, guys. Another reveal and swipe painting technique called Love. And I love you guys. Peace out, guys. Come and check out Foltz art when you get a chance, and go visit my website, eBay.